ZF Group Active Seatbelt is a leading developer and manufacturer of automotive safety systems, including seat belts. Their active seatbelt technology is designed to improve occupant protection in the event of a collision. The system uses a variety of sensors to detect potential hazards, such as sudden changes in vehicle speed or steering wheel angle. If a hazard is detected, the seat belt can be automatically tightened to help keep the occupant in a proper seating position. This can help to reduce the risk of injuries, such as whiplash, pretensioners. These devices tighten the seat belt webbing in a fraction of a second before a collision. This helps to take up any slack in the belt and ensure that the occupant is properly restrained. Putco Molle Seat is a seatback organizer designed to help you keep your gear organized and accessible in your truck or Jeep. It is made from durable, 10-gauge aluminum and features a textured black powder coat finish that is resistant to chipping and rust. The Molle Seat attaches to the back of your seat using 2 headrest straps and 2 Molle mounts. The straps simply slip over the headrest posts, and the mounts attach to the back of the seat using the existing mounting points. Once installed, the Molle Seat provides a platform for attaching a variety of Molle-compatible pouches and accessories, keeps your gear organized and accessible. No more digging around under the seat for your tools and supplies. With the Molle Seat, everything has its own place. Save space. The Molle Seat utilizes unused space behind the seat, freeing up valuable cargo space in your truck or Jeep. Durable construction. The Molle Seat is made from high-quality materials that are built to last. Easy to install. XLifter is an electronic air suspension controller specifically designed for Land Rover Discovery 3 and 4, LR3 and LR4 in the USA, and Range Rover Sport L320 vehicles and Range Rover L322 2007 to 2012. It allows you to maximize the capabilities of your Land Rover's air suspension, enhancing your off-roading or expedition experiences. Electronic lift kit. Raise or lower your vehicle's height at the touch of a button, with 7 predefined settings ranging from -35 mm to +75 mm. Precise height adjustment. Fine-tune the height in 5 mm increments for even greater control. Automatic self-leveling. Automatically level your vehicle on slopes up to 4.5 degrees, perfect for comfortable camping. Trailer assist. ABS sensor recovery. Compressor temperature monitoring. Intuitive controls with graphic OLED display. Easy plug-and-play installation. Truma Mover XT is a maneuvering system designed for single-axle caravans. It allows you to easily and precisely maneuver your caravan into any parking spot, even around corners and bends. Precise maneuvering. The Mover XT uses automatic wheel swiveling and Truma dynamic move technology to ensure precise and smooth maneuvering. Reliable on all terrains, the Mover XT can handle various terrains, including asphalt, grass, cobblestones, and gravel. Compact and lightweight. The Mover XT is very compact and lightweight, making it easy to install and use. Automatic wheel swiveling. The drive rollers can be automatically swiveled on and off the tires using the remote control. Obstacle control. The maneuvering system keeps the caravan reliably on track even if there are obstacles on one side. Stepless acceleration. The Truma dynamic move technology provides smooth and stepless acceleration for precise maneuvering. Verus Engineering Brake Cooling Kit is designed to improve brake performance by increasing airflow to the brakes. This can help to reduce brake fade, extend pad and rotor life, and improve overall braking performance. The kit is typically made of high-quality materials such as aluminum, stainless steel, and carbon fiber. It includes all of the necessary hardware for installation, and can be installed in a few hours with basic tools. Of installing a Verus Engineering Brake Cooling Kit. Reduced brake fade. By increasing airflow to the brakes, the kit can help to keep them cooler, which can help to prevent brake fade. Brake fade is a condition that occurs when the brakes become too hot and lose their ability to effectively stop the vehicle. Extended pad and rotor life. cooler brakes will wear slower, which can help to extend the life of the brake pads and rotors. Improved overall braking performance, cooler brakes will provide better stopping power. RSI SMARTCANOPY is a modular truck cap system made from automotive-grade stainless steel. It is designed to be stronger, lighter, and more durable than traditional fiberglass or aluminum canopies. His SmartCap is made up of 5 separate pieces that can be mixed and matched to create a custom configuration that meets your specific needs. The pieces. Roof. The roof is available in a variety of styles: flat, raised, and solar-ready. Front panel. The front panel can be solid, mesh, or a combination of both. Sides. The sides can be solid, mesh, or vented. Tailgate. The tailgate can be solid or mesh. Door. The door is optional and can be mounted on either side of the cap. The SmartCap also offers a wide variety of accessories. The RSI SmartCap is a versatile and durable option for truck owners who are looking for a canopy that can handle anything they throw at it. Modular design. The cap can be customized to meet DumperDogg is a dump insert system that transforms your pickup truck into a mini dump truck. It allows you to easily haul and unload bulk materials like mulch, gravel, sand, and other heavy items, without the need for a dedicated dump truck. Converts your pickup truck bed into a functional dump body. Provides a 45-degree dumping angle for complete material discharge. Operates through a powerful electric hydraulic system powered by your truck's battery. Controlled with a tethered control box for easy operation. Saves time and effort, eliminates manual shoveling, saving you time and physical exertion. Increases efficiency, faster loading and unloading of materials, improves overall work efficiency. Watergen, a leading Israeli company, has become synonymous with atmospheric water generation (AWG) technology. They specialize in developing and manufacturing devices that extract water vapor from the air and convert it into clean, drinkable water. Diverse product portfolio. Watergen caters to various needs with products ranging from home and office water dispensers like the Jenny to large-scale industrial generators suitable for communities and businesses. Patented Genius technology. The core of their systems lies in the Genius heat exchange technology, which efficiently extracts water from the air using a condensation process. Impressive efficiency. Watergen devices boast impressive efficiency, producing up to 5 liters. Sono Motors is a German automotive company that develops and produces solar electric vehicles, SEVs. The company's flagship product is the Shaun, a solar-powered passenger car. History. Sono Motors was founded in 2016 by Lauren Hahn, Jonah Christians, and Navina Pernsteiner. Mission. Sono Motors' mission is to make sustainable mobility accessible to everyone. Products. The company's first product is the Shaun, a solar-powered passenger car. The Shaun is equipped with 456 integrated solar cells that can generate up to 34 kilometers of additional range per day. Technology. Sono Motors has developed a proprietary solar charging technology that is integrated into the body of the vehicle. This technology allows the Shaun to charge itself from the sun, even when the car is parked. Business model. Sono Motors plans to sell the Shaun through a direct-to-consumer model. ARB Intensity IQ Lights are a premium driving light option designed for off-road enthusiasts and adventurers seeking superior illumination and control. Unique for optic design, combine super spot, flood, and mid-range beams in a single unit, offering versatility for various driving conditions. Customizable beam patterns. Utilize the free ARB Intensity IQ app or the included physical switch controller to adjust the brightness of each optic independently, creating thousands of possible combinations to tailor the light output to your specific needs. Powerful performance. Delivers exceptional brightness and distance to illuminate the path ahead effectively, enhancing safety and visibility in low light conditions. Durable construction, features a freeform clear front lens, bezel-less design, and CNC machined ARB logo for a sleek and modern look. The housing is built. Gouda Geo Equipment is a Dutch company specializing in the design, manufacturing, and distribution of geotechnical equipment and instruments used for soil investigation worldwide. They cater to a global clientele, offering a comprehensive range of products and services to support various soil exploration needs. Cone penetration testing (CPT) equipment. This includes CPT trucks, crawlers, top push rams, digital piezocones, data loggers, and software. Their CPT solutions cater to both onshore and nearshore applications. Soil investigation tools. They offer a variety of SPT and DPT equipment, along with other instruments for various soil testing purposes. Accessories. Gouda Geo Equipment provides a comprehensive range of accessories to complement. Dropracks XL is a rooftop cargo rack system designed to simplify loading and unloading, especially for heavy or bulky gear. Horizontal loading platform. Unlike traditional roof racks with vertical bars, the Dropracks XL features a horizontal platform that extends alongside your vehicle, allowing you to easily load and unload gear from the side. Height adjustability. The platform can be raised or lowered using a crank mechanism, adjusting to a comfortable height for loading and unloading, regardless of your vehicle's size. Weight capacity. The Dropracks XL boasts a high weight capacity, typically ranging from 200 to 300 kilograms, depending on the specific model and your vehicle's roof strength. Secure cargo tie-down points. The platform features integrated Air jack is a portable lifting device that utilizes compressed air to raise objects. They are commonly used for lifting vehicles during tire changes, roadside repairs, or off-road situations, but can also have various other applications. Single bag air jacks. These are the most common type, featuring a single inflatable bag that raises the object when filled with air. Double bag air jacks. These offer increased lifting capacity and stability due to their two inflatable bags. Hydraulic air jacks. These combine compressed air with hydraulics for greater lifting power and control. Portability and ease of use. Air jacks are lightweight and compact, making them easy to store and transport. They typically operate with a simple hand pump or connection to an external air source, requiring minimal setup and effort. Versatility. Air jacks can be used Nomad Split Rash Ring is a protective accessory designed specifically for TerraFlex Nomad off-road wheels. It safeguards the wheel lip from damage caused by rocks and ledges encountered on off-road trails, curbs during parking maneuvers. Other potential hazards that could mar or dent the wheel's outer edge. Modular design. The ring is split into 6 sections, allowing for individual replacement of damaged segments instead of needing to replace the entire ring. This feature saves on costs and reduces waste. Durable construction, made from high-density polyethylene (HDPE) plastic known for its abrasion and impact resistance, the ring effectively shields the wheel from external threats. UV inhibitors. The plastic